G'day, I'm Jono. It's Monday the 9th of September and some portfolio thoughts from us this week. Starting with the macro, the Chinese manufacturing economy in August was continuing to be soft, so much so that the monetary authorities there cut the reserve rate requirement over the weekend, effectively providing some more liquidity to the economy there, which is much needed. We did see on the positive front that the two countries, China and the United States, would sit down in October to try and effect a truce on the trade front, which is something that helped markets push a little bit higher last week, but we really need it because some of that weakness that we're seeing in the likes of China, Germany, South Korea is now starting to spread a little bit into the United States. Last week we saw the manufacturing data released, which showed the first month-on-month fall in 3 years, and concerningly too, that new orders relative to inventory is really starting to soften up. So I guess if we don't get a trade resolution soon, we run the risk of a corporate destocking in the manufacturing sector in the United States, which could have a bit of an impact on the job side. This week in Australia, we get consumer confidence numbers out and business confidence numbers out. Again, we're hopeful that we're seeing a bottoming in the economy between now and Christmas. We also happen to see in the market in the last couple of weeks too, just a bit of a catch up in some of the laggards, and that's helped our portfolio. So last week we were really pleased to see the bounce in Challenger late in the week. That share registry is really tightening up now, almost 40% in the hands of three holders. Afterpay continued to surge after its brilliant numbers a week or two ago, and we were really pleased to see some brokers actually referring to the potential upside in IOOF if they were to renegotiate the ANZ Wealth deal. So, that stock bounced really well, was up over 10% last week too. BWX, which has been a bit of a shocker, but recently been a really terrific holding, has bounced and just short of $4 as well. So we're really encouraged by that as well. Webjet, a recent recommendation, just another stock for again our clients to take a look at. That bounced later in the week as well. So as I say, hopefully we're starting to see a bit of a normalisation, if you will, between the haves and the have-nots in the local share market, and we think that should be a good thing for our portfolio.